Hi, this is Phil with Castle. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing on the Castle TSM-22 Pocket Cutting Machine. Let's get started. Okay, you'll notice that I wheeled the machine in on a basic dolly. That's what's nice about the very simplistic packaging that we have. On the bottom of the unit, instead of a pallet, we have two 2x4s. I do want to mention that prior to having the shipper release the unit to me, I did remove the outer cardboard packaging just to do a quick inspection of the unit. Now I'm going to remove the packaging slip, and here's the quick start guide. You want to make sure you read that before you get started. Also note that the manual is on the inside of the machine. We'll get to that a little bit later. Here I'm pointing to the serial number, which is also on a tag on the right side of the machine. Please activate your warranty with that serial number as soon as possible. Here I'm going to quickly remove the plastic. My preference is to use scissors here, just have a better opportunity of not scratching the machine. Here in the rear of the machine we have the work deck. First thing I'm going to pull out is the manual. We recommend prior to assembly registering with the enclosed warranty card or following the activation link below. I'm going to pull out a couple boxes of screws. Then we have our hardware box. Next is going to be a sample block with two sample pockets that was used to calibrate the machine at our Petaluma, California factory prior to shipping. There's our foot pedal, our door to the front of the cabinet, and finally we have our gas shock, which is used to support the top of the unit, which is hinged to allow for easy access for tooling and maintenance. Here we're just going to do some final packaging removal. Just going to remove the packaging on the foot pedal. And then we're going to move on to removing the 2x4s on the bottom of the machine. I'm going to use an impact with a deep 7/16 socket, and I'm going to remove two nuts that are attached to each 2x4. Now we can simply lift one end of the machine, remove the 2x4. Now we can go around to the rear of the machine and do the same thing. And at this point the 2x4s can be disposed of. So I've got the TSM-22 all unboxed. I have my parts laid out, ready for assembly. On the next video we'll assemble and test the TSM-22. Make sure you check out the link below, and we'll catch you next time.